Again, and I hope you are all well by the mercy of Almighty Allah, and from the core of my heart I welcome to you again. Now get started what I'm going to explain. Have a look. The man is to work to work. Make it negative statement. Have you finished?
Yes, sir.
Look here. What is it? Two. And there is two. So the rule say instead of two you will write so we can write in this way the man is two work. Instead of two work you will write so two will be replaced with so, and so work, and two instead of two you will write here that is a conjunction or connector. It needs subject. So after that you will write a subject. The man is noun form. What is the pronoun form of the man? He. Okay, very good.
He cannot.
What type of tense is it?
Present
tense. Past tense. Okay. Present. Instead of present tense, if the tense is present tense, you write here can. And then verb. You can say after to work. Okay. Your answer is finished.
Yes.
Clear everybody? So in Bangla এখানে টু এবং টু যুক্ত কোন সেন্টেন্সকে যদি তোমরা নেগেটিভ করো তাহলে টু এর জায়গাতে তোমরা কি লিখবে সো লিখবে। সুতরাং দেখতে পাচ্ছ এখানে টু ছিল, আমরা এখানে কি লিখেছি সো লিখেছি, এবং এখানে কি ছিল টু ছিল, এই জায়গায় আমরা কি লিখেছি দ্যাট লিখেছি। তোমরা জানো যে টু এর পরে ভার্বের বেস ফর্ম হয়, কিন্তু আমরা যখন দ্যাট ব্যবহার করব দ্যাটের পরে ভার্বের এই বেস ফর্মটা সরাসরি লেখা যাবে না, কারণ দ্যাট আরেকটি সেন্টেন্সকে যুক্ত করবে। সুতরাং এখানে আমার একটা সাবজেক্ট দরকার। সো এখানে দি ম্যান ইজ দ্য নাউন ফর্ম। নাউনের মেনের পরিবর্তে আমরা প্রোনাউন কি লিখবো হি লিখবো, এবং যেহেতু টেন্সটা এখানে প্রেজেন্ট টেন্স, সো এখানে কি হবে ক্যান। দেন ইউ উইল ফাইন্ড হিয়ার ভার্ব ইজ প্লেসড হিয়ার। ওকে, এনি কোয়েশ্চন? নো স্যার। Okay, number 2. The boy was to work to work. Make it negative statement. Have you finished?
Yes.
What is the answer?
The boy was
It could not work, right?
It could not work.
Okay, very good. So write quickly. The boy was to will be so, and then adjective work, and then that. After that subject will be the boy here male, so he. And what is the tense? Past tense. So in cases of past tense you will write can, past tense could, and could couldn't, and then verb based on work. Have you got your idea?
Yes, sir.
In case the sentence is present tense, you will write after that you will write subject and then cannot or can't. If you find past tense, you will write instead of to you will write that. After that you will write the pronoun of the subject or any subject, and after it you will write couldn't or could not, and then verbs based from you will find. Okay? Yes, sir. যদি এই ফর্মুলায় এই রুলে যদি কোনো সেন্টেন্সকে হাবুদক থেকে নাবুদক করতে হয় তাহলে টু এর জায়গাতে সো এবং টু এর জায়গাতে দ্যাট এর পরে তোমাদের মনে রাখতে হবে অবশ্যই একটা সাবজেক্ট দিতে হবে। সেই সাবজেক্টটি নাউনের প্রোনাউনটা ব্যবহার করবে। এখানে দি মেনের প্রোনাউনটা ছিল কি হি, আর প্রেজেন্ট টেন্সের কারণে আমরা কি লিখছি ক্যানট, আর এখানে পাস্ট টেন্স ছিল, আমরা এখানে দ্যাট এর পরে আমরা কি ব্যবহার করছি। এখানে আরেকটি ঘটনা ঘটেছে এখানে, যেটা টু এবং টু দ্বারা যে সেন্টেন্সটা থাকে সেই সেন্টেন্সটা মূলত একটি সিম্পল সেন্টেন্স ওকে স্ট্রাকচারাল সেন্টেন্স ইউ ক্যান সি টু এন্ড টু ইন এ সিম্পল সেন্টেন্স যখন তোমরা সো এবং দ্যাট ব্যবহার করে সেন্টেন্সটিকে তোমরা চেঞ্জ করলে একদিকে সেন্টেন্সটি কমপ্লেক্স সেন্টেন্সে রূপান্তরিত হলো অন্যদিকে সেন্টেন্সটি হাবোধক থেকে নামবোধক রূপান্তরিত হলো যদি তোমাদের ডিরেকশন থাকে এইভাবে যে এই ধরনের সেন্টেন্সটিকে একটি কমপ্লেক্স সেন্টেন্স তৈরি করো তাহলে এটাই आंसर so it has double benefit okay the sentence has been changed into negative sentence and the sentence has been also changed into complex sentence okay answer is same but direction two simple sentence to complex sentence or affirmative sentence to negative sentence right have you got your idea
Yes, sir.
okay be prepared for the next rule note down the rule in your notebook two instead of two you'll write so and instead of two you'll write that and after that you'll write subject then can't or couldn't see here remove is as good as Shimu make it negative statement note down very quickly
Timo is not better than.
Rimu is compared to Shimu. Actually, in the middle of two S, you can see an adjective. Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So, which is the comparative degree of good?
Sir, better.
Better. Okay, good. Good positive degree.
Better.
Better.
Comparative
Comparative
and
degree.
bad superlative.
And best. Superlative degree. So, as and as in the middle, this is positive degree.
Yes, sir.
Okay? When you say the sentence from affirmative to negative,
Negative.
good will be better
Better.
as comparative degree. Such as in this way,
Shimu.
Shimu at first,
Shimu
as
is
being
not.
then
Better than
is negative form which one? Which is the negative form of is?
The not.
Is that? So is that or is not? And what is the comparative form of good?
Better.
Better.
Better than.
So good will be better.
Then
And after comparative form we write then. After then we write remove. Who has been compared to someone? Remove. If you go to school, if you go to school daily, comma, you can learn a lot. Make it negative. যদি তুমি প্রতিদিনই স্কুলে যাও প্রত্যহ স্কুলে যাও তাহলে তুমি অনেক কিছু শিখতে পারবে isn't it possible
Yes, sir.
of course is it possible here if linking word connector and after it you can see subject plus go subject plus base form which tense is it present tense right so present tense present indefinite right this is present indefinite can you see after if you can see present means present indefinite and next sentence you can learn subject plus will or can or may or must which tense is it can you tell me future tense future tense that means future indefinite tense okay যদি তুমি প্রতিদিন স্কুলে যাও তাহলে স্কুলে গেলে স্যাররা তো ক্লাস নেবে তাহলে স্যারদের ক্লাস থেকে তুমি অনেক কিছু শিখতে পারবে সো ইফ ইউ গো টু স্কুল ডেইলি ইউ ক্যান লার্ন মেনি থিংস ইফ আই রাইট হিয়ার you will learn many things any problem in case of can we can write here will we can write here may so can will may in case of subject plus can will may This is called future tense. Okay? Possibility. It means possibility. If you go to school daily, you can learn many things. It is possible. So it means possibility. In cases of future tense. So this is the first conditional sentence. If I give a direction here, how can we change the sentence into negative sentence? Just look here. We can change the sentence in 3 ways. 3 ways. আমরা তিনটি উপায়ে এই সেন্টেন্সটাকে নেগেটিভ করতে পারি। First one. If I write here in case of if I don't write if, changing if, just unless, write quickly, unless, and the next of the sentence, unless you go to school daily. Here affirmative statement, you can learn many things. If you don't go to school, is it possible to learn many things?
No, sir.
It is impossible. So next sentence must be in the negative statement, just using not with the modal auxiliary, right? So second part will be you can will be can't. Negative statement can't. You can learn many things. Learn a lot. You can learn a lot. Have you got your idea?
Yes, sir.
আমরা যদি এখানে if এর জায়গাতে আমরা unless ব্যবহার করি, unless is a negative statement, so you need not here. Unless is a statement that means negative, so you change if with unless. if এর পরিবর্তে আমরা কি লিখছি? unless লিখছি। তারপরে এখানে can কে আমরা নেগেটিভ স্টেটমেন্টে কি করছি? কেন? যদি তোমরা will পাও will not, যদি may থাকে may not, এই জায়গাটা চেঞ্জ করে দিতে পারবে কিনা? Is it possible to change the sentence into negative?
Yes, sir.
If you find if in a sentence, you will change in this way that change if with unless, and then negative statement can will be can, will be will not or won't, and may will be may not or meant, right? Another way you can change the sentence into negative. What is the way? Look here.
Sir, without Ziran.
Yes. Another way. আমরা যদি if কে পরিবর্তন করতে না চাই, যদি পরিবর্তন করতে চাই, if I write it, what happen?
If don't.
Yes. If then subject. Can and will. This is the present tense. This is the present tense. After present tense, in cases of present tense, after subject you write don't.
Don't.
For second person or first person or plural subject, you write don't. Clear? Don't. And then next of the sentence, go to school daily. Same meaning. If you don't go to school daily, that means unless you go to school daily. যদি না তুমি স্কুলে যাও. If you don't go to school daily, যদি না তুমি স্কুলে যাও. So unless and if don't, same meaning. Understand?
Yes, sir.
And the next sentence, as usual, as before, you can't or you won't or you will not or you cannot
Or you may not.
or may not learn a lot. Have you got another idea?
Yes, sir.
If I write unless, no need not. If I write here don't, you need not write unless. So তোমরা unless কে লিখলে not লেখা যাবে না।
Yes, sir.
Next sentence must be in the negative form. যদি তোমরা if কে লিখতে চাও, তাহলে সাবজেক্টের পর কি লিখতে হবে? সাবজেক্টের পর কি লিখতে হবে? don't লিখতে হবে। এখানে next part অবশ্যই not ব্যবহার করতে হবে। এইভাবেও নেগেটিভ করা যায়। Have you got your idea? Okay, now another way you can change the sentence into negative statement.
Without Ziran.
Do you want to learn?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Are you enjoying much more?
Yes, sir.
Okay, there are 3 ways. First way is second way, and why not third way? Third number way, you can change the sentence into a negative sentence. You can change the sentence into a simple sentence.
Yes, sir.
Here is the significance of this discussion. Just without, instead of if, just write without. Without is a preposition. After preposition, what type of verb may be used?
Ziran form.
Ziran, I first write on the board go, going. Okay?
Yeah.
So without after without, you need not write subject. Subject here.
Without
Which
going
subject
to
here?
school,
You. So after without, you need not write you. Okay, just go will be
Going.
go will be going. Clear everybody? Without going, যাওয়া ব্যতীত, যাওয়া ব্যতীত, without going to school, without going to school, without going to school daily, প্রত্যহ স্কুলে যাওয়া ব্যতীত, next sentence as usual as before, no change, same. So you can't learn a lot. Okay, everybody, speak with me. If you go to school daily, you can learn a lot. If you don't go to school daily, you can't learn a lot. Unless you go to school daily, you can't, you may not, you cannot, you will not, you won't learn a lot. Without going to school daily, you cannot learn. Have you got your idea?
Yes, sir.
So very interesting. In this way, we can say the sentence into negative statement. But you have been given another idea. If you write in this way, the sentence will be complex sentence. Right?
Yes, sir.
If you say the sentence in this way, the sentence will be simple sentence. This is complex sentence also. Complex sentence. This is also complex sentence. Why complex sentence? I will explain next time. Such as when you find if, unless in a sentence, the sentence is nothing but complex sentence. But if you write instead of connector or linking word, such as without is a preposition. After preposition, verb will be ing form. So if you write in this way, the sentence will be simple sentence. Dear students, look here. If in the question paper you have been given a direction sentence, simple, make it simple. What is your answer? Without going to school daily, you cannot learn a lot. So this way has double benefit.
Yes, sir.
If the direction is given, make it negative. Answer is okay.
Yes, sir.
If the direction is simple, answer is also okay. Have you got your idea?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you very much. Now what for the next? Verb is it? Alright. And which verb is it? Working. Which form of this verb? Best form. Which form of this verb? Gerund form or ing ending verb. Okay. Dear students, just take example here. By working hard, you can prosper in life. Isn't it possible? If you work hard, you must shine in life. You must prosper in life. You gain your achievement. Okay? Make it negative statement. Can you tell me the negative statement, anyone?
Yes, sir.
I will be said with without. Right? So why not have a rule by plus gerund? By plus gerund related sentence will be negative in this way. Instead of by, you will write without plus gerund. By plus gerund will be without plus gerund. So without working hard, and comma, use comma, and you can will be negative statement. You can't prosper in life. আমরা এখানে বাইরের জায়গাতে কি লিখছি? বাইরের জায়গাতে আমরা কি লিখছি? উইদাউট লিখেছি। বাইরের জায়গাতে আমরা উইদাউটটা লিখেছি, মানে আমরা প্রেপোজিশনকে চেঞ্জিং করে দিয়েছি। প্রেপোজিশন হ্যাজ বিন চেঞ্জড। Instead of by, we have written without, right? First one. And here can এর বিপরীতটা কি? বিপরীত হলো can. এটা অ্যাফার্মেটিভ স্টেটমেন্ট can লিখতে পারি, আর নেগেটিভ স্টেটমেন্টে কি লিখবো? Cannot or can't. So here is the changing. Have you got your idea? So in while the sentence is by plus zero, this is also a simple sentence, and you can change the sentence using without plus zero. Zirant. What is zirant? Zirant is here. This is the base form and ing. This is the zirant. So by plus zirant, you can see by plus zirant, by working by plus zirant, and by plus zirant has been changed into without plus zirant. And can here just can. If you find here may will be may not. Will be will not. Just negative statement you can write here. In this way you can change the sentence into negative statement. Okay? Okay, now I'm going to finish my class. See you next time. I want to test the class test next day. Be prepared yourself. Thank you very much. Thank you everybody. See you next time. Bye.
Okay.